Hi Micafam, Ate Myra here. For today's video, ang dami sa inyo nagtatanong, Ate Myra, paano ba mag-withdraw ng funds dito sa Ginvest? Paano mag-cash out? How to claim funds? Paano mag-sell? Paano ba mailalabas yung pera sa Ginvest? Don't worry kasi sa video na to, tuturo natin yan step by step. And not only that, paano naman kung gusto kong mag-redeem pero below minimum amount yung pera ko? Pwede ba? Don't worry, sasagutin din natin yan, so make sure to watch till the end, okay? Kung interested ka, please keep on watching. And guys, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung Ginvest videos ko, links will be in the description box below. Check it out. Guys, bago tayo mag-redeem ng ating funds dito sa Ginvest, please take note ha. Number 1, meron pong minimum amount to redeem sa ating Ginvest. For the local funds, minimum of 50 pesos po. And for the global funds, minimum of 1,000 pesos para tayo ay makapag-redeem. Number 2, yung ating na-redeem na funds will be reflected po sa ating GCASH wallet. Number 3, please take note na kapag tayo ay nag-redeem ng funds sa ating Ginvest, hindi po siya instant or automatic na magre-reflect sa ating GCash wallet. We have to take note na meron pong processing time yan, depende kung anong klaseng fund yung gusto nating i-withdraw or i-redeem. For example, kung gusto nating mag-withdraw ng ating Atram Peso Money Market Fund, it will take 3 banking days. Kapag Atram Total Return Peso Bond Fund naman yung gusto nating i-withdraw, it will take 4 banking days. Kapag Phil Equity Smart Index Fund, 5 banking days. And kapag Global Funds naman, it will take 7 banking days. Hindi po instant na magre-reflect yan sa ating GCash wallet. And lastly guys, wala pong holding period yung ating investments dito sa Ginvest. Ibig sabihin, kahit kailan mo gustong i-redeem yung funds mo, whether tomorrow, next month, or next year, pwede mo siyang gawin anytime you want. Okay? Yun nga lang guys, hindi po siya recommended na i-redeem mo siya agad-agad kasi mas ma-appreciate mo yung gains mo kapag ka mag-i-invest ka for long term. Ayun, paano naman mag-redeem ng funds? Step-by-step guide will be up next. So guys, punta tayo sa ating GCash and then tap Show More. Next, punta tayo sa Ginvest. Okay, now tap natin itong View Investment Products po. And makikita natin dito yung 5 investment products as you can see. So, piliin lang natin yung investment product na gusto nating i-redeem. Sa case ko, it will be Atram Peso Money Market Fund. View details lang po tayo. Makikita natin dito yung market value of investment na 208.93. And sa baba, makikita natin yung sell kung gusto nating i-redeem or withdraw. Kapag buy naman kung gusto nating invest or add ng pera. Tap natin itong sell. And ilagay natin dito yung amount na gusto nating i-redeem guys. Please take note ha, minimum amount to withdraw for the global funds will be 1,000 pesos and for the local funds naman, minimum po of 50 pesos. Tap natin itong next. And unit equivalent po nitong 208.93 is 1.89 units. Tap natin itong I agree to the sell order terms and makikita natin dito. Okay, so guys, please take note ha, na kapag tayo ay nag-redeem, it will take few days po. So, as you can see, for the Atram Peso Money Market Fund, it will take 3 banking days. For the Peso Bond Fund naman, 4 banking days. For the Phil Equity Smart Index Fund, it will take 5 banking days. And for the 2 global funds, it will take 7 banking days bago po mag-reflect sa ating GCash wallet. Alright? Please take note of that, guys. And guys, please take note as well na only one redemption or sell order can be placed at a time per investment fund. Kung gusto mong mag-place ng another redemption or sell order, kailangan po tayong maghintay for your earlier placed sell order to be confirmed first. For example, sa case ko, Atram Peso Money Market Fund yung ating i-redeem, we have to wait na mag-confirm po yung ating sell order bago tayo makapag-order ulit. Okay? Okay, so tap lang natin itong confirm guys. And ayun na, sell order placed. We have to wait while our order is being processed. Makaka-receive tayo ng SMS once transaction is confirmed. And ito na nga, yung order status natin is placed. And we have to wait 3 business days for our sell order to be completed, guys. Like I said, hindi po instantly papasok sa ating GCASH wallet yung funds. We have to wait, depende kung anong investment fund yung gusto mong i-redeem. So guys, ganun lang po kasimple mag-sell ng order. Sabi ni Fe Fernandez, can't redeem because of the minimum amount. And sabi naman ni Corn Flicker, Ma'am, gusto ko sana mag-cut loss, hindi ko magawa. Nag-invest ako sa Global Consumer Trends ng 1K. Ngayon, 937 na lang yung MV or market value niya. Hindi ko ma-sell kasi mababa daw sa minimum amount na 1K ang i-sell ko. Paano yun? Gusto kong ilabas pero di ko magawa. Gusto kong ilabas pero di ko magawa. Pero anyway, totoo yan. With Ginvest, kailangan kasi may minimum amount to withdraw, redeem, or cash out your funds. Pero guys, don't worry kasi kahit below minimum amount yung gusto mong i-redeem at hindi ka na talaga mapipigilan pa, meron naman tayong magagawa dyan. Ano nga ba? Pwede tayo makapag-request ng full redemption ng ating investment balance below minimum amount sa mismong GCASH Help Center po. Don't worry, tuturo natin yan later on. Pero basically, ang mangyayari, tayo bilang investor dito sa Ginvest ay magre-request nga ng full redemption ng ating investment balance. And then, si GCASH ay magre-request po ng offline redemption para sa atin. As we all know, Ginvest po is powered by Atram. Si Atram namamahala ng investments natin dito sa Ginvest, guys. And so, si Atram po ay magde-deposit ng ating remaining investments sa ating nominated bank account or pwede din naman sa mismong GCash account lang din natin. Pero kung tatanungin niyo ako kung gaano katagal yung hihintayin bago mag-reflect sa nominated bank account natin or GCash account natin yung funds, yun yung hindi ko alam. Pero kung alam niyo guys, and try niyo na ito, please comment down below. Alright, so guys, kapag gusto natin mag-redeem pero below minimum amount yung laman ng ating investment funds, then we can do this sa ating GCash app po. Sa login page, dito sa Help Center, tap lang natin yan. After yan guys, punta tayo sa pinakababa, yung Submit a New Ticket. Tap lang po natin yan. And ilagay natin dito yung ating email address, yung GCash registered full name po natin, GCash registered mobile number, and sa baba, ito yung concern category. So, piliin lang natin dito yung invest money po. And piliin natin yung concern po natin. So, ito yung I cannot redeem my investment. Tap natin yan. And sa baba, explain lang natin yung ating concern. So, maybe we can put something like request for full redemption. Or pwede na natin sabihin, request for offline redemption of investment balances below minimum amount. And I think it will be helpful as well kung anong klaseng investment product yung gusto nating i-redeem as well as the balance po. Alright? And then after nyan guys, tap lang natin itong submit. We should be expecting an email from GCash within 24 hours and maybe sa email na yun, they will be asking more info. So, provide lang natin yun guys. Okay? So anyway, sana nakatulong kahit papaano itong video na ito sa inyo guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and please subscribe kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe. See you next time. Bye for now. Stay safe.